Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to solve incoming call problem in your Tecno smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First friends, if you are not enabled to receive calls, you have to just long press the phone call app like this. Click on app information, then click on storage and cache, clear data, then go to permissions and allow all the permissions like call logs, camera, contacts, microphone. These are all permissions. You have to enable it from here. Now just press back and click on this. You can see airplane mode. You have to tap on the airplane mode. If you can't find out, you can just click on this plus icon. Here it is airplane, just add it from here. Now you have to click on airplane mode. Now turn it off after 10 seconds and it will fix your smartphone. If it is not, then you have to remove your SIM card, then again insert it and restart your device. It will fix your incoming call problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.